So in this review of the heating pad, I plan to answer all your questions by showing you all the features of this. I mean, right away you can see this is a little larger than you usually see for heating pads. I mean, this is 24 by 34 inches. It's super soft on the front and the back. And it also has a strap here towards the bottom and some buttons at the top. That way you can go ahead and make sure this is securely fastened to you. Say you're sitting at a desk or you're sitting on the couch. This way it's not going to move at all. Now this is machine washable too. Just make sure you go ahead and disconnect the plug here, but you can go ahead and put that in the washing machine without any problem. And then when you're ready to use it again, plugs right back in. The controls are super simple to use. We turn it on. We can increase the temperature all the way up to 9. So it does have a temperature range from between 86 and 158. We also have a timer. You can see here right now it's at 30 minutes. You can go 60, 90, and then 120 minutes. And then also, depending on the last setting, for instance, I have it on 6. When I turn it off, back on again, it's on the same setting that you had it last time. So that makes it very helpful. I just love the way it's useful. It's very versatile, and when you're not using it, all you have to do is just fold it right back up, put it in a drawer, and it's ready for the next time you use it. Hope you found this review helpful.